Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to hide applications in this device. For this, tap and hold on the home screen, then tap on home settings. Here you can see the option hide apps, hide app icon. Then from the list of application you can select the application that you want to hide. So simply here I am going to hide the application Instagram, then calculator. You can see the hidden application. Under the hidden application, two applications are here, Instagram and calculator. Now go back. Now here I am going to search the Instagram here. You can see no result. So simply here I am going to select search the calculator also. You can see no result. So simply in this way you can hide applications in this device. So in case if you want to unhide, same this way, tap and hold on the home screen, tap on home screen, then tap on hide app icon, then tap on the minus button on the icon. Just tap on this one. You can see. Then go back. Now you can see the calculator and Instagram is here. So simply in this way you can hide apps in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.